Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best tri-fold truck bed covers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tyger Auto T3 Soft Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Keep your truck bed protected from several damages by using this truck bed cover. The tonneau cover is also compatible with most of the 6.5 feet truck beds. Moreover, the cover supports drill-free installation against the cargo space. Made from heavy-duty marine-grade vinyl, the protective gear stands for durability. This heavyweight cover keeps your cargo space protected from water, rain, and UV rays. The aircraft-grade aluminum frame also extends the stability and safety of this cover. Furthermore, the pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide additional support to this cover. You can effortlessly have access to the truck bed. The rear clamp of this cover supports quick latching. This protective gear comes with tear-resistant vinyl construction. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Gator ETX Soft Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Suitable for a wide variety of truck beds up to 6.5 feet, the tonneau keeps cargo spaces damage-free. This cover also supports tool-free installation and removal. Moreover, the quick latch handles help you to open or close this truck bed cover without any difficulty. You can easily clamp this cover against the rails without any tool. The cover also comes with a lightweight yet heavy-duty aluminum frame. Furthermore, the integrated buckling system keeps the protective gear in place. This cover offers custom fit for most of the truck beds. The cover with vinyl construction keeps your cargo space safe from UV rays, rain, water, snow, and dirt. This tri-fold cover comes along with high-quality perimeter seals to keep your truck bed protected from water. At number 3, we have the BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Perfect for most of the truck beds up to 5.6 feet, this truck bed cover extends the lifespan of the cargo area. The foldable design of this cover also lets you utilize your cargo space while keeping truck beds safe. Moreover, the tonneau cover feels light in weight and makes installation trouble-free and time-saving. The hard cover comes with a polished matte finish to protect it from UV rays and other harsh elements. The premium quality perimeter seals also keep the cover in place. Furthermore, the dual-action tailgate seat helps users to close the tailgate with or without closing the cover. The aircraft-grade aluminum panels keep the cover stable. You can keep your truck bed free of snow, rain, dirt, and sunlight. At number 2, we have the Undercover ArmorFlex Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This truck bed cover feels light in weight and makes installation hassle-free for users. This tonneau cover also makes the perfect fit for most of the truck beds up to 6.4 feet. Moreover, the cover helps you to have complete access to your cargo space. You can even adjust the cover into 3 different positions. These are closed, fully opened, and partially opened positions. The cover also folds down into the upright position with the help of dual prop rods. Furthermore, the patented Line X coating of this tonneau cover keeps truck beds protected from dings, dents, and scratches. The automatic latching system keeps the panels secured. The matte finished aluminum panels make this cover exceptionally durable. And finally, at number 1, we have the BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This tonneau cover offers a perfect fit for most of the 6.9 feet truck beds. The cover also simply withstands the load of 400 lbs of weight. Moreover, with the help of high-quality perimeter seals, the cover provides tight sealing around the truck bed. You can have complete access to your truck beds. The automatic latching panel support tool free and rapid assembly and disassembly. This truck bed cover also comes along with a dual-action tailgate seal. So, you can conveniently close the tailgate with the cover in both opened or closed conditions. Furthermore, the matte finish prolongs the lifespan of this protective gear. Therefore, you can keep both car beds and cover protected against harsh environmental elements. The matte finished panels offer resistance against marks, UV rays, and scratches. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.